Just finished watching episode 7, and guess what's coming next week? The dress is coming! These are obviously screenshots from the trailer, but it looks like the dress that I'm going to be working on is coming next episode. I am so hyped. It seems like it's going to be coming at a funeral. To my thoughts, this is going to be her funeral dress she wears to her father's funeral, thinking that's what I think is going to be happening next episode. But I'm very excited. We have some more little snippet footage, still only waist up, so I can't really see how much fabric I still need to buy, and the color of the split in the front that I talked about in my video I released earlier. But it's here. It's time. It's coming. I can't wait to start working on this thing. So I think those swatches that I ordered in the last video are going to get here soon. Hopefully they'll work and then we can get started. I think the red fabric I'll probably be able to find at like Joann's or something, depending on what it is. Hopefully it's not insanely patterned or embroidered or anything, but it's Game of Thrones, House of the Dragon. It probably will be. But anyways, next week, episode 8, we see the dress, final premiere. I had to come in and say that. I'm so hyped. Also, that episode just like took me for a win. It was fantastic. I love the show so much. Yep. Becoming Rhaenyra Targaryen. We're almost there for more research. I'll do a breakdown video of the outfit when I can get a little bit more footage of the actual outfit. And we'll go into the embroidery and how we're going to do it. But yes, next week.